Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I understand my English, but I can speak small, a little bit.
It's okay as long as you can communicate with your employer, we don't have any problem. But if you really don't know how to communicate, better stay in the Philippines, okay? Because there is no point of coming here if you don't understand, okay?
Yes, madam.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Yes, I'm healthy, madam.
If you feel unwell or if you feel that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines also, okay? Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, madam. I'm willing.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, no help.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, madam.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, madam.
Okay.
I working in Saudi and Kuwait.
So why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Uh, I want to. Can I speak Tagalog, madam?
No, the employer cannot understand Tagalog.
Okay. I just want to work another country, madam.
Okay, so can you help me introduce yourself, please?
My name is Jenny Garcia. I live in Santa Clara, Batangas City. I have three children. I have a live-in partner. I'm 38 years old, and I work abroad for 4 years in Saudi Arabia and Kuwait.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you first, okay? When is your birthday?
January 18, 1987.
Are you vaccinated? I forgot to ask you.
Yes, madam. I'm
What kind of
vaccinated.
vaccine?
Pfizer, madam.
Second dose, booster shot.
Third dose, madam.
Okay, what is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'2" and my weight is 65 kg.
What is your religion?
Madam?
What is your religion?
Catholic, madam. Catholic.
Roman Catholic. What about your educational background?
High school graduate, madam, in
You mentioned
ALS.
that you got three kids, right? How old are those children?
My first is 12, my second is 11, and my third is 10 years old.
Who will going to take care of your children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My mother, madam.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
60, madam, and uh, housekeeping lang, madam.
What about your live-in partner? How old is your live-in partner and what is his occupation?
37, madam, and fisherman.
Is he the father of your children?
Yes, madam.
Okay, how many brother and sister do you have?
My brother is 3 and my sister is 4.
Okay. So you mentioned that you got a working experience in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for 2 years, right? 2 years or 4 years?
4 years, madam.
What year did you started and what year did you finish working there?
I'm started uh, 2018 to 2001. The last is 2020,
2018 to?
2008, 19 to 2021, madam.
So you work only for 3 years.
No, madam.
Then
I,
for 4 years in Saudi, what year did you started working and what year did you finish your contract?
I finished my contract in Kuwait, I'm in Jeddah is to 2019 to 2021.
Ate, I am asking you in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. You told me that you have a working experience for 4 years, right? What year did you started and what year did you finish?
I started in 2019 and I finished in 2024.
19, 20, 21, 23, 24. 2019 to 2024. What is your job responsibilities to your previous employment in Saudi?
I make cleaning the house, washing clothes, cooking, and taking the children, ironing the clothes.
How old are those children that you take care?
5 years old and madam.
5 years old and?
1 year old.
Okay. So 2019, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So you worked there for 5 years.
No, madam. 4 years.
So what is exactly the year that you worked there?
I know, 2019.
So you are running for 5 years working to your employer. Because if you say 2019, 2020, 21, 22, 23, 24. So you work for 5 years lah.
Yes, madam.
Are you sure?
Yes, madam.
You worked there 4 years and how many months?
No, 4 years, madam.
Okay, so you worked there 2019 until 2023. Okay. Okay, I will repeat again. You worked 2019 until 2023 for 4 years, right? Okay, what happened? Why you didn't continue working with this employer?
Because I want to another
Country.
yes.
After 2023, you work in where?
In Saudi Arabia, madam.
Saudi Arabia. So you work twice in Saudi also.
Yes, madam.
Okay, so 2023 until
2019 to 2023.
after 2023, did you have any working experience?
No, madam. Just in the house, stay.
So 2023 until presently, you are a full-time mother.
Yes, madam.
Okay. You understand English, right? You can communicate.
Yes. I'm not.
So, okay. Saudi and Malaysia is quite different. Yeah? Malaysia employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. So, you need to get ready yourself, okay? Because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in Saudi at the same time. You need to get ready yourself. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, madam.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
I can, madam.
Sorry?
What, madam?
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, madam.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, madam.
Can you cook?
Yes, madam.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, madam.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, madam.
You will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Okay?
Yes.
Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. Okay? Usage of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. But if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, madam. I'm okay.
We don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you disagree, better stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
I agree, madam.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad, because you wanted to sustain your family's needs, okay? You wanted to give them a better future. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to be humble ourselves. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer, yeah?
Yes, madam.
Okay, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Madam. Thank you.
you.